Today we're going to be taking a look at the Eufy Smart Lock E31. Now, I decided to pick up this lock specifically because I wanted one that connected to Apple Home. Also wanted one that had a dedicated battery instead of using AA batteries. And I wanted one that had a fingerprint scanner as well as the keypad to get in and out easily. Inside the box, it's very simplistic, very straightforward. There's not a lot of moving parts, but all the parts that do move are very solid and feel great to touch. Deeper in the box, we have the manual and some stickers, which we don't really need right now. Here is the set of keys that it comes with, so that you're able to unlock and lock manually as well too. Here's all the screws that it'll come with. They're all painted black, so it looks nice. And here's that big battery pack that I was talking about. So you don't have to use AA batteries. You can't use AA batteries with this particular model. You just charge that through USB-C, and then you're good to go. Here's the rest of the hardware. This is the part that goes attached to the door. And then here's the bolt itself. This lock is going to replace your deadbolt, and then you'll have a regular knob underneath to unlock or unlatch and latch your door. And that's it. Very easy to replace your existing deadbolt. Here's everything that it comes with, and it's very easy to install.